Hey, the city's having a big debate about how to remodel the old Northern Avenue Bridge right behind me here. And the debate is between cars or pedestrian/bike only. And the people who want cars, they're winning.
And why is that such a big deal? Because the old Northern Avenue Bridge connects the financial district flat, a nice easy walk right over to the Seaport District where the courthouse is and everything. The Moakley Bridge, which is already here, this is built for cars. Check it out. It's a 4-lane highway in each direction, and it backs up. If they include cars on the old Northern Avenue Bridge, this will just back up in a much smaller space, creating an incredibly unpleasant pedestrian experience.
We could be doing something innovative like the Highline Park in New York, or even like we used to do in Boston, like Quincy Market, or even Downtown Crossing when it was new as a pedestrian zone. But no, cars are the answer. Cars will reduce congestion. And here's the crazy thing about putting cars on the old Northern Avenue Bridge going westbound. When you come off the bridge, you're already beyond the turn for 93 North. And you gotta turn right down Atlantic Avenue. So you tell me, Boston, should the new Northern Avenue Bridge be bike and pedestrian only like the majority of entrants in the public design contest? Or should it include cars? I'm Jack Gately, thanks for watching.